I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we're having the drawing. As you can see, all 5 boxes are all boxed up and ready to go. My girl's getting ready to say goodbye. She still wants you to see her beautiful fingernail polish. And so we are getting ready to spin the wheel, but I do want to mention something first. If you would like to join in on this collab, please leave it in the comments. Here are the channels I have so far. Dory's Dollies, Ayla Avar, The Dainty Seamstress, Octopuddin, Irene Huff's Dolly Space, Little Midwest Reborns, Jordan Moon 264, Trolls, Dolls, and More 6891, Starts and Stitches, Electric Wandering, LPS TV, Roxy 4955, Lehman Philpott, Adult Doll Collect 9764, and Tina's Reborns. If you are not on that list and you want to join in, leave me a comment, please. Let's get to the spinning. Before we start, please do not leave anyone's name in the comments. Let them hear their name in the spin, not read it in the comments. Thank you. Okay, everybody's name that said in the comments that they wanted to receive a doll, join in the collab, and do the 2 videos. That is, the first video is the Happy Meal, and then the second video is when we all do the video, March 19th at 10 a.m. Central. We're going to leave the first person's name in the wheel, but if it comes up again, they only get 1 doll, and we will respin. Ready? Here we go. Eclectic Wondering. Let's spin it again. Little Midwest Reborn Dolls. Congratulations to you both. I will need you to contact me. If you will contact me by email, I will need to get your addresses to get this out. Thank you so much to everyone for participating. And before we go any further, let me say, please do not say their name in the comments. Just say, congratulations, winner. Let them hear their name rather than reading it from someone else. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.